Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how to activate TikTok on your TV. If you are ready to enjoy TikTok's endless stream of videos right from your couch, I'm going to walk you through the whole process of setting it up using tvtiktok.com/activate. It's quick, it's easy, and I will have you scrolling on the big screen in no time. Alright, so get started. Here is what you need: your TV, which usually already have the TikTok app downloaded, and either your phone or computer. If you don't have the TikTok app on your TV, just check your TV's app store and download it real quick. First, open the TikTok app on your TV. When you open it, you will probably see an activation code pop up on the screen. This code is unique to your device and it's what connects your accounts to your TV. And now grab your phone or computer and go to tv.tiktok.com activate. You will see a screen that asks you to log in into your account if you haven't already. So you go ahead and sign up as you see like that. Sorry for this. tv.com. Yeah, as you see here. Once you are logging in, you will see a box where you can enter the activation code. Type in the code exactly as you see it on your TV screen and hit activate, and that is pretty much it. After a few seconds, you should see TikTok feed pop up on your TV. Now you are ready to start watching all your favorite videos on the big screen. You can scroll, like, or just sit back and let TikTok entertain you, all from the comfort of your couch. And there you have it, activating TikTok on your TV with tv.tiktok.com. Activate is super easy, and now you are all set to enjoy endless TikTok videos on a bigger screen. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. See you.